So now the question is, Akil, where is the next extension, or where is that retracement likely to come to? Well, there's a few things that we can do. One, remember that level of structure that I said was so important in the beginning, this level of resistance that was broken that allowed us to make the prediction that price was likely to go higher? Well, once resistance is broken and violated, it often comes back to life, it raises from the dead, and becomes a previous or a potential level of future support. So if I had to predict a projection point on where price is likely to continue next, what I will do is I'll combine these two levels. I will say my first strike would be right here. The first area of interest would be right here at the highs of about 149.14. And the retracement would be valid until or unless we break 148.50s. If we break 148.50s, then it's over, right? We no longer look for longs.